In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your address on Business Google Profile. So for whatever reason, maybe you moved location and you want to change the address on your Google profile, it's extremely simple to go ahead and do. If you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing. So first of all, you need to go over to google.com and you want to search My Business, just like this. So by searching My Business, this will allow you to access your Google business profile, which you can go ahead and change the settings to. It should look something like this. So from here, what you want to do is come over to where it says Edit Profile. Click on this button here, and it should take you to a new tab here. At the top, you can see About, Contact, and Location. Location is the one that we want to click on. So what we can do from here is you can see the location section, and you want to go ahead and click on the map. Once you click on the map, it's going to give you the option to change the address. You can put all of the address details in, such as the first line, the postcode, the county, the country, all of those details that you might need for the location of your business. After that, you can go ahead and press save, and that is you all done. It may take a little while for your business details to update, but it should be done relatively quickly. So if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below that it helped, and let me know if there's any other videos you'd like me to make. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.